I'm outside with the doggies again. It's really sunny, but there's a cool breeze. Some sort of bird over there making a noise. I was just watching one of those birds that go upside down. Oh shoot. I forgot it that quick. Yeah, I've been stuck in for days now. I ain't kidding. Hear it? Without the wind though, it's not that bad. I've just been inside watching TV. Did some laundry, dishes, same shit, different day. Trying to stay sane until spring, which is getting harder every year. Nuthatch, that's what those birds are called. That they kind of go upside down. Have you ever seen them? Well, yesterday started off bad. Yesterday morning, not too far from where I live, there was a fatal accident involving a log truck and a young girl. She didn't have a chance. The roads were snowy. It had like rained earlier that night and then gotten cold, and then it snowed over that, so yeah, my husband had to go to that. He's a fireman, so, and my son's a fireman, and my brother-in-law's a fireman, so that was kind of a downer for our town first thing in the morning. I can't even imagine the family. God bless them. Hello, Mr. Blue Jay. I put out some more seed the other day. I wish this thing would focus in a little bit better. No airplanes in sight today. I got my dog on the leash here on one hand. There's my other dog over there rolling in the snow in the sun. Like I said, it's nice out except for the wind. Hopefully all the snow will be melted soon. We had no sun. Yeah, we had no snow for months, and then it seemed to then get snowy. Look at this old tree. Wonder how old it is. All I know is when it gets really cold, it like cracks, and it's a big old pine, so they're known to be coming down. They're known to come down. Like I said, just trying to stay sane. We have a little visitor out here. I filled up the bird food the other day. See the little chipmunk? Or red squirrel? As I hear an airplane in the distance. He's having a heck of a good time. So are the birds. He's like, peeks his head up, fills his mouth, goes back down. Yeah, we had one of these inside the house where we used to live. Yeah, my cat ended up taking care of it, thank goodness. Because they move so quick. I mean, there's no way you could actually, unless you put them in like a live trap. He's just out basking in the sun, stuffing his little face with sunflowers. And the birds are like, seem to be loving it. I just went back out and got my dog. This is like the, oh boy, do you see what I see? I see the, right below the, there is my cardinal again. See him? I wish this thing would zoom in. See him? Which one is it? Him or her? I think it's the him. He's a little bit redder than the female. To the right of the milk jug on the ground. I am so excited. I want to get some bird food that's got like berries and stuff in it. Where'd he go, the little bugger? Oh, I see, he's weighing back. Oh, there goes the red squirrel. Oh, he just jumped in the tree. You know, that just goes to show you, you don't need to make or buy an expensive bird feeder. I just simply made that out of a milk jug. Threw some sunflowers out there. And I get all sorts of birds. And squirrels. Chipmunks. Now he's on the ground. You see him on the ground? If this stupid thing would like focus in, it won't zoom in. Damn. Anyways, yeah. Oh, there he is. There's the cardinal right by the bird feeder. See him? To the right on the... Yeah, I think that's the male. I have the male and the female. Ooh. Ain't he pretty? His head is just as red. There he is. He's so pretty. It's not as red as they could be this time of year. I'm just excited that I actually have one. I have two. I have them actually mate, and I have probably, I don't know if they mate, but I have a pair of them. Yeah. Excited. There he is in the tree. There he is by the jug again. To the right. On top. He's like, oh yeah, I'm here. I'm all that. Ain't he pretty? I don't know where the female went. He's not very big. He must be a young one. Oh, he's trying to get in. They won't let him in. Let him in, damn it.